Okay, finally, page 4 of test or the review for test 2. And we are doing regression again. This time we're using a logarithmic model here. So I'm going to use our calculator to enter the data. Let me clear that out. So you press Stat, Edit, and I've already entered the data for this problem. So when you, after you enter the data, you press Stat again. This time you're going to go to Calculate, and you're going to find logarithmic regression, which is right here, ln regression. And that's because we're using ln as our function. And you're going to select Enter and then scroll down to Calculate. And you get A equals 4.22. So this is going to be f of x equals 4.22 plus B, which is 5.2 or 5.25 and natural log of x. So there's our model for this data. In problem 15, you're going to change between logarithmic and exponential form. And I did this earlier, but these problems here, remember, again, the two phrases you always want to remember is the base is on the bottom and the log is the exponent. So here, the log is the exponent. Our exponent is 2, and our base is on the bottom, that's b. So we're going to have b squared, and what's left over is 49. So b squared equals 49. The log is the exponent. So again, the exponent is 2. The base this time is on the bottom, that's 3. So we're going to have 3 squared, and what's left over is the 9. So that's equal to 9. Now here we're going to do it in reverse, okay? The base is on the bottom, so the 4 is on the bottom of the 3. So 3 is the exponent. The log, the base is on the bottom, so log base 4 is the exponent, so that's 3. And what's left over is your x, okay? The log is the exponent. The base is on the bottom, that's 2. And your exponent is x. What's left over is your 5. So again, just remember those two phrases. The base is on the bottom and the log is the exponent.